Regenerate your vision completely and stop blindness with this natural remedy. The ingredients we will use to prepare this recipe will make your vision improve and rejuvenate the eye contour. These completely natural ingredients have been used since antiquity to improve eyesight, as is the case of myopia. This recipe is very easy to prepare and very economical. In addition to improving your eyesight, will make your skin smoother, nourished and silky. Even is good for the hair, giving a great shine and likewise prevent hair loss. Ingredients: 1. 10 tablespoons of honey. 2. 3 cloves of garlic. 3. 4 lemons. 4. 250 grams of linseed oil. Preparation: 1. First you will have to peel, chop and grind the garlic. A jar should be used to add chopped lemons without the peel, followed by garlic, honey and linseed oil. After you have all the ingredients in the jar, you should stir them well, preferably with a wooden spoon, and proceed immediately store in the refrigerator. 2. We must clarify that this mixture should never be applied to the eyes. This is just to be taken. 3. When everything is already mixed in the bottle, you will take a large spoonful before each meal. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give